Okay, so we got some snow last night. Looks pretty incredible this morning. So I want to see what kind of footage we can get with the drone. I want to see how well it performs in this kind of weather. I'm not expecting anything phenomenal. Lighting's not great, a lot of clouds, no sun. It's actually snowing in the moment. So it'll still be a lot of fun. And I'm curious to see how well it does. And it'll be good for you guys to see how the DJI FPV drone performs in this kind of weather. So without further ado, let's pack the drone up and let's get to the park and see what we can get. I feel really lucky that I got a chance to get out here, take some footage with the drone. I didn't quite think the snow was gonna stay. We haven't had much snow this season, but boy oh boy, it's a beautiful morning. All the snow on the trees, makes it look like a winter wonderland here.